children, here we meet again. Today we are going to learn about the form and movements in humans like you and me. Our skeletal system, along with the muscular system, is what helps us move. First, I am going to give you a small activity. Stand from your place, jump 3 times, nod your head and stretch. What did you do right now? Yes, you just moved your body, right? The movement is possible due to the skeletal system that consists of 206 bones and the muscular system. Moving on to slide 3. We'll learn about the different parts of the skeletal system, which consists of the skull, which protects the brain, the rib cage, having 12 pairs of ribs, which protects the heart and lungs, the backbone, made up of 33 vertebrae that surrounds and protects the spinal cord, and the 2 pairs of limbs that allow us to perform various tasks such as lifting. Now that we recall the structure of the skeletal system, it's time to learn about the functions of it in slide 4. First, it protects the soft internal organs of our body. It provides shape and support to our body. It produces blood cells from the bone marrow. It stores and releases fat. And also, it facilitates movement in various body parts. Slide 5. We all know that bones are rigid structures that cannot be bent. So how is movement possible? All movements in our body are due to the joints and muscles. Joints are places where 2 or more bones meet, and they are held together by ligaments. As you can see in the flow diagram, these joints can be categorized into 3 parts such as fixed joint, like the skull which provides protection, slightly movable joints that provide support, and freely movable joints that allow movement in the body. There are 4 major freely movable joints in our body. Looking at slide 6, you will understand the way the 4 freely movable joints work, which are the ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. Other than the joints, the muscles which work as pairs play a major role in movement. As you can see in slide 7, muscles are attached to the bones by tendons, and they contract and relax, allowing your arms and legs to move. Usually one end of a muscle is attached to a movable bone, while the other end is attached to a fixed bone. Therefore, when the muscles contract, it gets shorter and it pulls the movable bone. When the muscles relax, it goes back to its normal size, as you can observe in the given diagram. In slide 8, it is another special tissue that is needed for movement. That is cartilage, which is tough and elastic and covers the ends of the bones. This makes the ends of the bone smooth and reduces friction between 2 bones during movement. It is not as hard as bones and are present in various parts of our body like our ears, nose, throat, etc. Next, slide 9. As much as movement is important, being safe is even more important. In situations where we meet different accidents, doctors might recommend taking an X-ray. Have you ever been curious about knowing who found out about X-rays? It was a physicist named Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen who discovered this through an accident in his laboratory in 1895. He found out that these X-rays can only be passed through tissues and not bones. So, this discovery has been a great help in different fields of medicine and scientific research. Next, moving on to slide 10, you have to try out this activity and find out how each part of your body moves. With that, I'm signing off until the next lesson. Thank you.